Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford F150 door panel. First, gather your tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a socket set. Ensure you have a clean cloth or mat to protect your door panel once it's off. Always work slowly and methodically to avoid damaging any clips or the panel itself. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful removal process. Begin by locating and removing any visible screws, often hidden under small plastic covers or rubber mats in the door pull. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry off decorative trim pieces, revealing more screws. Once all screws are out, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for window switches or door lights. Finally, detach the door handle mechanism, which usually involves releasing a small clip or two. With all screws and connectors removed, use your plastic trim tool to gently pry the bottom and sides of the door panel away from the door frame. You will hear clips releasing as you work your way around. Once all the retaining clips are free, the panel should feel loose. Carefully lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the window channel to fully remove it from the door. To reinstall, align the panel clips with their slots and firmly press the panel back onto the door. Reconnect all electrical connectors and ensure the door handle functions correctly before replacing any screws or trim. Always test the window and lock operations. Before you finish, remember to check the video description. You'll find a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, as well as other helpful deals. We hope this guide makes your F150 door panel removal straightforward and stress-free. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.